A business leader has said that the impact of the Russia-Ukraine conflict is felt internationally, but it affects wheat and oil importing African countries most.
The majority of African countries are feeling the pain, the economic pain of the Russia-Ukraine conflict on food, oil prices, other commodities going up. There's now a lot of restrictions about trading with Russia. So many other items like oil prices have gone up. Steel and other things that come from Ukraine has been disrupted because the supply chain has been disrupted.
In its latest report, the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development revealed that Somalia, Benin, Egypt, Sudan, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Senegal and Tanzania are the African countries most affected by the market disruptions caused by the sanctions and the conflict in Ukraine. Meanwhile, Negatu noted a few African oil-exporting countries might benefit from higher prices of crude oil.
It's been a big plus. Those who are exporting oil, prior to the conflict, it was selling at $80, $75, $80 a barrel. As we speak today, it's over $100 an hour, a barrel. So a few African countries were net exporters of oil have benefited.